The other thing is, please do not be ambitious. Don't assume all kinds of area you can do integration, one shot you can find the answer. Notice, do you notice this is the same curve, but there are two different areas we are looking at? Okay? When it's two different areas we are looking at, you have to do it separately. You don't do it together. And more importantly, take a look. All our previous example, the area is above the x-axis. Okay? Whenever you deal with area below the x-axis, please expect your answer to be negative. Alright? So this is something to take note. Expect area underneath the x-axis to be of negative value. Then you ask me, how do we present the answer? I'm going to show you right now. Okay? Let's take a look at this one first. Okay? During exam, if you want to do it in parts, but you know that this diagram is not on your foolscap paper, you can do a simple sketch, and I would like you to label. Alright? Let's call this A. Let's call this B. So we do it part by part. Okay? I'm going to do area A first. Same thing. If I do area A, please go and find out what is the upper limit. Justin, what's the upper and lower limit? Okay? So from 0 to 2. What is the function you want to integrate? Okay, it's clear cut, there is only one curve up there. Integrate with respect to x because it's covered by the x-axis, and more importantly, everything is in terms of x. Are we able to integrate immediately, Vijana? Can you integrate this immediately? What would you do first? Okay, multiply and expand first. Okay, how do we expand this? 3x squared minus 6x. Okay, now we can do our integration. And now how to do the integration over here? X to the power of 3 divided by 3 minus 6x squared divided by 2. Okay? The good thing with area is the integration will normally be very straightforward. Don't have to think too hard. Alright? Then we simplify our expression first before we do our substitution inside. And please be mindful, the answer that you will be getting, because of the fact it's underneath the x-axis, it must be negative value. If it's not negative value, you need to recheck the working. Okay? So I'll just do substitution inside. Alright? Am I right that everyone gets negative 4? We must be correct. Because all area underneath the x-axis would be of negative value. So when I get negative value, I should be happy.